All right, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Wish Wednesday here, and congrats to you, Logan or whatever you want to be called here. You wished for this song from NEFFEX called With You. So I'm happy for you and for all you guys who love NEFFEX, and I'm one of those. They have great songs and very cool and catchy melodies here. So this one is pretty much the same through the entire song here. We have one melody that goes through the entire song, and also 3 chords you can choose to strum there. So pretty easy. So let's start with this one. We don't need any capo, and we will look at the chords first. So we have E minor. That is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Yeah, and then we have C, so third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And finally, the G chord here. So third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Okay. So we will look at this melody that goes from the start till the end here. You can choose to play that one, and I'm going to show you later how to use the strumming if you choose to play the strumming for this song. So let's first look at the melody, and I'm going to show you how it sounds first, and then we're going to divide it into each and every chord, which notes we need to learn there. So first, this is how it sounds. Yeah, so something like that, okay? So it's based upon the same chords, of course, the E minor, C, and G. So let's start with the part, the E minor here. And remember, this song is played, and this melody is played with a lot of delay here. So we will try to play in a way that sounds exactly how it sounds in the song there with the delay, okay? So that could mean a couple of extra notes, but that will give you the closest version of the original. So let's start with E minor, and it starts like this. Okay, so that's the E minor part. That means the open E in the bass, then the second G, then open B, and third B. Okay, so open E, second G, open B, and third B. Okay, and I suggest that you play the second G here with your index finger, and then you just add the third on the B there with your middle finger. Okay, it will be easier for you later when you play the C. So that's when it comes to the E minor, these 4 notes, it's what you need there. Let's move on here to the C part. Okay, sounds like this. Okay, so that is the third here on the A string. You're gonna play that together with the 4th on the G. Okay, and I suggest you play the index finger here on the 3rd A and your ring finger on the 4th G. So together there, and then you're gonna play the 3rd on the B string. So, and then open G and open B. And that's it for C. So just to repeat here, 3rd on A together with 4th on G, then 3rd on B, open G, and open B. All right, so that's E minor and C, and now the final part, the G here, okay? It starts like this. Okay, we will start with that part first. That's the half of the G's here, so it will be 3rd on E in the bass together with the open G, then open B 2 times, and back to open G. Okay, so third on E together with open G, then open B 2 times, and open G. Then you're gonna play the third on E again in the bass, and then open G, open B, and second G. So this second part here will be third on E, open G, open B, and second G. And that's the whole melody here, okay? So I'm gonna play it, try to play it slow for you. Like I usually say, it's very hard sometimes to play things slow, but I will try to really get you to understand what we're doing here and how it sounds together. So let's go slow, this whole melody. Sorry, I messed up there. Let's do it again. Yeah, so that's how it sounds slow. And with standard tempo, it should be like this. And that is one round. Okay, so that is the melody, and you can choose to play that from the beginning till the end, okay? But you can also choose to play this with a strumming pattern here. And we will look at one strumming pattern that will be divided into 2 parts. And we need that since some chords are played only with the first part and some chords with the full strumming. Okay, so yeah, and some, I mean, there are only 3 chords here. So yeah, let's take this G here. Start with that one because that is the only chord that is played with the full strumming here. So take the G here, and the strumming will sound like this. So that is down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. So down, 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 up, down, 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 up. That is the full strumming. So let's start with the first part, which will be down, 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 up. Okay, down, 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 up. Again. Down, 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 up. All right, and the next part, the second part, will be up, down, 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 up. So up, down, 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 up. And if we connect these 2 parts, it will be down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. All right, so that is the strumming here. And if you wanna play this one, you're gonna play the E minor for part 1, the down, 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 up. And then you switch to C quickly and play the part 2, up, down, 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 up. So E minor and C, they split for one strumming pattern. And then you finish with the G here, one full strumming round. So E minor part 1, C part 2, and G full. Let's go for a couple of rounds. E minor, C, G, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, E, 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 C, 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 G, 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 G. yeah, so that covers this cool song from NEFFEX called With You. So I hope you are satisfied with this one, especially you, Logan, who wished for this song. And I just want to make you know, aware of that. We have this Wish Wednesdays that we sometimes bring up songs that you, subscribers, hopefully you are subscribers, wished for, and then I bring it up on this channel and give it back to you. So that's my way of showing appreciation for what you do for me, your support, and I hope you will continue support me on this channel. So see you soon, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and play tuned.